And this is manual guide, I think so. Portable drive, yes, it's a manual guide. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. After many days, again I'm in front of camera and I hope I might be on form. Each and every time I keep coming in front of camera and I keep saying you people that I'll be regularly doing vlog, and it's not possible. Yes, again I have come back today because yesterday I had been to SP Road in Bangalore and I purchased one Seagate 2 TB external hard disk because in online it was a bit expensive. Then again I went back to the store and when I called him, I got somewhere around pricing for 4,600 rupees with GST somewhere around 5,400 rupees. I got a 2 TB external hard disk and in online it's showing as 6,000 rupees. So let me unbox this and bill will be updated on screen. When I had been to SP Road, I would have vlogged there itself, but there were two things: lot of crowd, and second thing is that within seconds the camera will get robbed. So and one more thing is this COVID, so I don't want to take any kinds of risk. I just got this to house and I did a vlog. And this is manual guide, I think so. Portable drive, yes, it's a manual guide. After a long time I'm unboxing something for my channel, and yes, without this there were many things which has been stuck up. I have got one hard disk and I have received one data cable. Okay, this is not useful for anything except hard disk, and this was very much useful for me. Before I was using my friend hard disk, but now I purchased it for myself. I checked for 8 TB hard disk and that was bit expensive, and this has got assembled in made in Thailand. I hope you people can see. And one more thing, in the Seagate there is made in China also. I'll clear off all this mess so that I can show you people. And why did I buy hard disk? Because see, I need a backup whatever I'm uploading in the YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel is quite easy, but keeping up the things in a safer side, it's a bit difficult, and you have to spend on some certain things like camera and especially hard disk. Camera, however, nowadays mobile has a very good camera, but to have a backup, it's really very mandatory. And because as you people know, there is a lot of things happening, hacking the account and all. So yes, having a backup is safety, I felt. So I just bought for as of now 2 TB, and before this whatever the 61 videos I have made for my YouTube channel, I had just kept in this pen drive, and even in this pen drive this is 32 GB and this is 16 GB. Till 61 videos I could save in this till 60th video, I think so, I could save in this 32 GB pen drive, and after that I started saving in the 16 GB just because I don't wanted to spend so much on this hard disk. But later on there was no other option for me to store in this pen drive. I needed to purchase this hard disk, so I purchased this. So let's see how does this works, and I hope this might come for next 1 or 2 years, because I know you people would be knowing that I'm not regular in vlogging. I might be regular, maybe, let's see. I don't want to promise because last 2 times I did that, and again I'm not able to like do a regular vlog. Let me connect hard disk to my laptop. Let me see, because hard disk I'm also using for the first time. I used my friend's hard disk, but yes, after that buying on my own and using the hard disk for the first time. Before this I had never ever used hard disk. Now let me connect this. Oh, there is a small LED blue light blinking on the hard disk. Let me go to my PC, and this is my pen drive. It's completely filled, and this is hard disk. Hard disk is completely empty. I'm able to see some files. Start here, Mac app. Start here, mostly Windows app. Warranty. Here I am clicking up with start here, Windows. So this page came up. I have to register this product. The application got signed in just because that in case tomorrow if I have something issue with the backup, then the file will be saved in that sign in history of that Google. So that has been done. Now I have to go to CSK Vlogs. All my videos list is here. Have to just cut this and go to the Seagate expansion drive G and paste. That's it. The entire videos will be copied to hard disk. To buy this hard disk, I had kept it hold for almost 2 months. I have pushed it with the pen drive itself, that too with my personal pen drive, which I had kept some family photos and all. And even the system was completely slow because some of the videos I had kept in system also. That also I need to transfer now to the hard disk. And why did I sign in? There are two important things that why I signed in. Just because that if tomorrow something goes wrong, in case if I lose my hard disk, the entire password and the login ID which they have given for the Seagate, if I log into Google Drive, there all my backup history will be there. And second thing is that warranty claim. The Seagate is giving 3 years of warranty. So in case tomorrow something goes wrong and if I need to claim the warranty, I have to sign in the day I buy this and once I start using this. In case if I don't sign in, tomorrow if something goes wrong and if I'm taking back to the store or if I'm taking back to the company authorized dealer of Seagate, the warranty won't be claimed. When I bought this, the shopkeeper was very clear about this. Some of the people, they don't intimate the stuff when we are buying. After buying we get to know, but he was very clear about this one point. Paying 5,400 rupees, I felt bit expensive, yes, but at the same time it is really very useful. All the files are somehow getting transferred to hard disk. Anyhow guys, it's Sunday also. I don't want to keep speaking about this technical things and make you people bored. After a long time, even I am planning to go out on Sunday, that too on weekend. So let me give some time to family. That also I'll start vlogging. Last from 2 to 3 weeks, I didn't take Bradman anywhere out. So I'm planning to take him today out. If I don't take him out, even he'll be like somewhat moody for entire week. From last 2 weeks, he's like that only. Just look at this. Kundu, let's go out. Let's go out. Let's go out. Huh? Don't lick me. Don't lick me. You have not taken bath. Dirty fellow. Let's go out. Chalo, we'll go out. Anyhow, catch you up in the next vlog, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.